Hi folks, today I want to show you this shelf made for my speakers. It was made out of a scrap piece of particle board. I have added real wood to the sides. It has a vertical support to give a good stability, and the mount pieces were built in, and I can also snake through the wire here. I had this piece of particle board laying around, left over after installing the kitchen sink. One of the sides was straight, so I tried to flatten one edge. I was not happy to use particle board, but the speakers are also made from the same material. I shouldn't care too much. Now I prepare the hanger pieces that will be glued onto the back side. The holes for them are made a bit wide, so I have some play when mounting it. On the other end, I have drilled 3 holes. The middle is for a screw to keep things in place, while the other 2 is filled with dowels. We cannot be too paranoid here. I carefully marked the drilling holes for attaching the vertical pieces and drilled both of them. After this, the 2 pieces are glued together. I prepare pieces for the sides. I happen to have some of these thin boards of nice light wood salvaged from an old furniture. Now these decorative side pieces are glued to place. And it was time for some sanding. One of the wall mount screws will be driven through the grain of the particle board, so it needs some extra strengthening. The idea is to drill a socket in the right location and install a hardwood dowel into it. Then the insert will be drilled through to accept the screw. Now here was a serious sanding session, but it was too boring, so let's jump towards. I have applied matte stain on the sides, masked the sides and spray painted the body. The masking tape should be removed before a complete dry. This is very satisfying. Before installing the shelves, I have applied a drop of silicone that might help dampen some vibrations. That's all for now. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.